So you keep hearing about Postman, but what actually is it? Imagine building an app that talks to a server. You need to test those requests. Get, post, delete, all that API stuff. You could write code for every single test, or you could just use Postman. Postman is like the Swiss Army knife for APIs. Instead of guessing if your backend works, you fire up Postman, type in the endpoint, hit send, and boom, you instantly see the response. No extra code, no setup headaches. But here's the cool part. Postman isn't just for quick tests. You can chain requests together, add environment variables, even run full collections of tests automatically. Think of it as your personal API lab, where you can break stuff safely before your users ever touch it. And yeah, whether you're debugging that one annoying 500 error or just learning how APIs work, Postman saves you hours of pain. It's basically the dev's cheat code for working with APIs. Now that you know what Postman does, here's the real question. How would your workflow survive without it?